Hey y'all! It's Cadence and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for this week's video. I'm actually ecstatic. The way I can't speak proper English 90% of the time just baffles me. But anyways, it is maintenance week, y'all. This is my first ever vlog like this. I've never done a maintenance week vlog, so I'm really excited. I'm also gonna do a maintenance mini series over on TikTok. Also, can we take a second and talk about the fact that TikTok might possibly be banned? I'm literally screwed if it gets banned. My followers are his TikTok, so that's really awkward. Yeah, anyways, I'm getting braids in tomorrow. I'm getting my nails done this weekend. I have a massage. We're gonna do like a self-care shower. I'm gonna try waxing at home. That's scary. Currently, it is Wednesday and I'm going to go get a massage. Yes, it's part self-care, but I also get migraines, for those of you who don't know. And I carry all of my tension in my neck and my shoulders, so that's mostly what the massage is for, is so I can prevent my migraines. We're gonna go do that. I just wanted to say hello and kick off this vlog. Let's go get a massage and I will see y'all after. I'm so excited. Y'all, I look crazy. First of all, look at my lashes. They bent. Obviously I have like the massage face marks all over me. I look crazy, but whatever. I feel like a newborn baby. I have a monthly membership for my massage and I completely just forgot to go last month. The knots and just the pain in my body was so real. I need to go home and like fix myself because I look crazy and I cannot be walking around outside like this. I'm not over my lashes. Like, now we're gonna head home. We're gonna do a little self-care night tonight. That post-massage rot is so real. I literally haven't done like a singular thing since 4 o'clock. It is now 9:37. I have ice cream in my fridge and I think I'm gonna go munch on her and then we're gonna do my self-care now. English, girl. We're gonna do my self-care night. This hair needs to get washed. Let's go munch. Currently filming for TikTok so y'all can see like the behind the scenes. Y'all, welcome to maintenance day. Y'all, it's maintenance week. Y'all, it's maintenance week. I need like some sort of energy. No, I need music in the background. Let's see how many tries this takes me to get a good intro. It's maintenance week, y'all. It's a little overstimulating. Unrelated to my TikTok, but intro End of the World on Ariana Grande's album, the first song, is I think one of my favorites of hers of all time. It's been stuck in my head for days. I literally have so many. Not me dropping things. Finished filming my intro.
Bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
sorry, I'm getting very distracted. We're gonna wash this hair. Let's go take a shower. I completely forgot to put a face mask on, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then I'll wash this off last in the shower. I feel so good right now. Also, my curls look amazing. I'm also not over how not frizzy my curls look. This stuff worked really, really well. I also really liked the shampoo scalp scrub. I do think I like my Amika hair masks better than theirs, but I'm gonna keep using it and give it a couple more goes. I'm gonna throw in this Dream Routine overnight hydration treatment. I'm so excited to get braids tomorrow. I'm a whole different girl with braids. I think my favorite pastime is changing up my look. Changed my hair 3 times this month. It's only the 13th. I'm gonna go film my skincare routine for TikTok. I will insert that clip here. If y'all saw part 1, you know I just took the most bust down shower of my life. I actually feel like a whole new woman right now. I did a face mask, washed my hair, did a hair mask. Just tried a whole bunch of new products tonight and everything was so good. It was genuinely one of those everything showers. And not to state the obvious, but the curls are back temporarily anyways. I'm getting braids tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm really gonna be a new woman. I don't know what they put in this moisturizer, y'all, but I've been using it ever since I got it. The texture of this is just everything. Y'all already know. Still haven't bought a skincare fan, clearly. And obviously, that is tonight's skincare. I will see y'all tomorrow for the braids. Bye. I will see y'all tomorrow. It's time to get this hair braided. I honestly don't think I'm gonna be able to film too much, but I'm so excited. So worst case, I'll just show y'all final results, but I just pulled up and we're about to get this hair did, okay? Hair is in the back seat. We are ready to go. Girlhood is realizing that I haven't eaten in damn near 24 hours. Honestly, probably longer, because I physically cannot remember the last time I had a meal at a kind bar today and matcha, but that doesn't count as food. Slightly hangry, so I'm not gonna do a braids reveal until I get home. Y'all are gonna have to be patient. This is the braids. What do we think? She killed it. These are half feed-ins, half box braids, and I've never done this style before. I typically just do box braids, and I don't know how I feel. I think I like them. I'm just serving a lot of forehead. I'm gonna shower and go to bed. I have literally been out of my house for 12 hours today, so I'm gonna relax those today, and then tomorrow we will go over my final thoughts on this hair. Okay, so I came to the conclusion that I'm obsessed. I had to get in front of the natural light. Definitely one of those moments that I was like, I need to put on makeup to see if I actually like it. I actually do really like it. I just think it's different for me, which is why I was very thrown off at first. Tomorrow though, I'm excited. We're doing a deep clean of my room. My room is literally disgusting. I actually think I'm going through a life crisis. We're gonna do that tomorrow, and then Sunday's nails, and I'm so excited. I just wanted to give y'all a little update, show y'all the hair. I'm actually in love. Hey Bookies! The girlies are back. Girlies are deep cleaning. I know! I did not just get that on camera. I can't. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Elisa and I are getting ready to deep clean every dark corner of this room. The bedroom, the bathroom. We're going through it all. Yeah, she's trying on shoes right now. But I'm gonna show you guys this mess. First of all,
I'm not a mess.
No, you're not. I was showing them whiskey. We have this pile of God knows what. These are clean. All of my dirty laundry is spilling out of this beautiful corner, so we need to clean that. I don't want to talk about it. Let's get to cleaning.
I literally went like this. I went like this. I did one of these. I looked at the back and I said, and I put it right back and I stood here until you came back. Cause I was like, what?
It's a moisture thing. It collects, see?
I thought it was literally like an old IV, bro.
No, why would I keep that in my room?
I don't know, but like
it's a moisture bag.
This on it and I was so confused.
No, damp rid, moisture absorber. Absorber. The dyslexia decided to kick in for a sec. Can we just
of the
makeup everywhere?
Do you want a full V? Check the bottom of my chair.
No, but actually though, like, what is happening?
I can put a full face on with what's on.
So much better.
Definitely walked on my phone.
Like, it looks so clean. My camera's about to die. I cannot. I don't even know. Let me do it.
No, look at that one.
No.
Staying so good.
No.
It doesn't.
Let me play mommy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You thought it was gonna be easy. If you don't just rub them together, heat them up, slap them on, and rip them off.
I'm so scared.
That's definitely how it goes.
I'm so scared.
Prepare skin, prepare for some pain, find direction of hair growth, peel strip apart slowly, place strip in direction of hair growth. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I wasn't gonna tell you. You guys want to see the pole?
No! Oh my god, you literally ripped off skin. Do you see it?
I love that we're doing this with no music too.
I know.
Like, that's the worst part.
I'm like too scared to rip this off of you.
These are gonna hurt so bad because I'm so used to sugaring.
And bolds.
Dang, she looks fun.
All my DIY girlies, y'all are queens, because me personally, I need someone to do it for me. You know what you're doing. Which way do I rip it?
Down. Really fast, Kate. Like, really fast.
I did not do a great job.
Bro, that pole strip is crazy. Look at.
Oh my god, okay, you're doing this. I didn't get anything else better. I'm not serving y'all pull strips for breakfast.
Monet
I'll serve y'all a lot.
Monet does.
Do I look like Monet McMichael to you? Where's my Jalen?
No.
My camera stopped filming during the waxing, but Lisa and I waxed. We cleaned my room. Everything is like spotless. And this is just like the final touch I needed. Clean room equals a clean and clear mind, okay? I just finished getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to dinner with Kim, one of my friends from high school, one of my best friends. We're gonna go have dinner by the beach. I think we're gonna film some things on the beach, maybe get some photos. We're gonna have a good night and I'm just excited, but we have a nail appointment tomorrow. We are getting these babies did. They are so grown out and I'm so excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It's Sunday, y'all, which means it's nail day. Y'all know how I feel about nail day. It is one of my favorite times of the month. It makes me feel like a baddie getting my nails done. And I'm just so excited. I had church this morning. I finished all of my homework and tests. It's a good day, it's a good day. My appointment isn't for another hour, but I want to grab a snack first, some sort of sweet treat. So excited to get my nails done. No idea what I'm doing per usual. And I really like showing y'all the behind the scenes of me getting my nails done, so we're gonna do that too. So let's go. I'm realizing I forgot my tripod, which was not very smart of me.
Hi, can I do a medium fry and then a large blue raspberry freeze?
If y'all have never tried the blue raspberry Fanta Freeze from McDonald's, it's cracking a cup. Danny and I have a serious addiction. Danny and I just have an addiction to McDonald's when we're together. Aside from that, I don't really come here, but I was craving it today, so that's what we're gonna eat.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. I'm always excited, let's be real.
Hi.
Oh,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great rest of your day.
Guys, she was so cute. I said this once and I will say it again. I love nice people. Love when a stranger gives me a compliment. Like, yes, I love when like people I know give me compliments, but it's so much nicer for some reason coming from a stranger. So I want to start complimenting strangers more. That's on my to-do list. Running reds is crazy. Y'all, this is what happens. It's still not solid enough.
No.
We're just stacking y'all on bottles at this point. It's the way I left my house early too. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have like time. I have everything. I have my camera. I forgot to charge my camera too.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Did you record your hair?
No, but only because I was going to, but she was pregnant and she wasn't feeling good, and I didn't want to be like, hey, can I film? Like, that just felt a little inconsiderate.
Yeah.
She feels hot.
Yeah, she's gonna get hot.
She feels hot.
Your nails thin. It'll go away.
I hope so.
It will. You'll see it. Probably like
Nay's lighting my finger on fire. I'm getting on my Zoom, I swear.
The Zoom. Oh, like zooming in?
No.
Or like,
Have you never heard that phrase?
No.
Nay.
I'm old.
No, you're not. You are not.
Oh no, it's the Zoom. What the fuck is that?
Like, get on your business.
Okay.
Get on your Zoom.
I've never heard of that before.
That's mind-blowing to me.
When did that when
That's been a thing. For over a year. That's been a thing. Get on your Zoom. Girl.
Yeah, like, let me watch.
Let me teach you some things real quick. Someone needs to cook there, but it can't be me. It cannot be me. But someone needs to do the cooking. Get on your Zoom. Next month you're gonna have a sponsorship from HelloFresh. Do you know who Nara Smith is? How are you on cooking TikTok and you don't know who Nara Smith is? Ooh, not my camera about to die. I'll show you the final results. Yeah.
Like, just think of it as a design.
Okay. Oh, so pretty. Wow.
Colors coordinating
Oh wait, they
together.
are, that is kind of cute.
You see what I mean? You see where I'm going with this, Cadence?
Not my government.
You
Why are we
see?
whipping out my government?
It's giving Easter, but it's giving, you see in this
It's
background.
giving take me to Jamaica. Take me on vacation. Wait, did I even film for TikTok? Question of the day. Don't look at me like that. Yo, my camera's literally about to die, but they're so freaking cute. Nay and I literally gave a name to each of them. This is Avatar. I think I said this one was like Lucky Charm. This one is a lemon. No, I'm not flipping you off. This one's Peony. And this one was Dragon Egg. Just finished editing this vlog and realized I did not film an outro. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week. Bye!